Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of GPS technology. We'll explore how it works so you can understand the magic behind those accurate directions on your phone. So, let's get started. First things first, GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It's a satellite-based navigation system that provides location and time information to anyone with a GPS receiver. This technology is used in a variety of applications, from your smartphone to your car's navigation system. Now, let's talk about how GPS works. The system consists of 24 satellites orbiting the Earth at an altitude of about 11,000 miles. Each satellite is equipped with a highly accurate clock and a transmitter that sends out signals containing information about the satellite's location and time. When you turn on your GPS receiver, it starts to listen to these signals. By calculating the time it takes for each signal to reach your receiver, your device can determine the distance to each satellite. With this information, it can then pinpoint your exact location on Earth. But wait, there's more. GPS isn't just about finding your current location. It can also provide accurate directions to your destination. To do this, your device needs to know the latitude and longitude of your destination. Once it has this information, it can calculate the shortest route to your destination and provide you with step-by-step directions. Now, let's talk about accuracy. GPS is incredibly accurate with a typical error margin of around 5 meters. However, this accuracy can be affected by a variety of factors, such as the number of satellites in view, the quality of your GPS receiver, and even the terrain you're in. In conclusion, GPS is a truly remarkable technology that has revolutionized the way we navigate the world. Whether you're using it to find your way to a new destination or simply to check your current location, GPS is a tool that we often take for granted but should appreciate for its incredible capabilities. Thank you for joining me on this GPS journey. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.